All right, we are going to go through and grade Miss Gru's example and see how she did, okay? Again, it's possible to get all 4 graphs on one piece of paper. I know it's crazy, but you can do it because I did it, okay? So going through, I'm going to fill out my self-assessment side just to see how I did, okay? So first and last name. On the back says Miss Gru. Beautiful. 1 point. Title, Slope 101. Perfect. 1 point. Proportional graph drawn. Proportional. Goes through 0, 0. I see 0, 0. The graph, or the equation is proportional. Yep. Not proportional. Right here. Got it. Slope of 0. Got it. Undefined. Got it. Alright, those all look good. Slope of each graph is identified. Ooh. So I didn't really say what the slope was. So I might want to go back and add that in. Okay? So I might add a little arrow and say slope. Slope. Or I could say n equals, right? And then I'm going to go down here. No slope. And then here I'm going to say slope undefined, which I already said here and here. So the only ones I really needed to fix was probably these up here. But I didn't say the slope was 5 and the slope was 5. Okay? But that's okay. So I fixed that now. Good thing I checked today. So I'm going to say that's a 4. If I hadn't checked, then I would have gotten points off. Okay? Then it says tables are drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. Beautiful. Points from the graph are in the table. Ooh, all right. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 5, 1, 5. 2, 10, 2, 10. Notice I kind of skipped on my counting, my scale. That's okay. I didn't want to squish all my numbers in, so I just said 2, 4, 6, 8, labeled 10. Down here, I counted by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to say that these are good. All my tables have the points that are on these graphs. I do notice, though, ooh, I should probably get my points off a little bit here. I do notice down here, I kind of messed up. But I had gotten so far in this one-pager, I didn't care. I was like, I can lose a point because I didn't have my y's right here when I started graphing. So I'm going to actually change this. This is probably a 3. All right, my equations, yes, 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 yes. Those are all good. 4 out of 4. Border, I didn't really have space for a border. So I'm going to lose that point. That's okay. Empty space is filled. I'd say this is pretty full. 1 point. Expression to find slope. Okay, I didn't write that. Ooh, come on now. So if I want to write that in, let's see, now it's not going to look as pretty. But I'm going to still try to add it because I know it's a point and I need a point. Okay, but I'm going to say slope equals change in y over change in x. So it's there. It's not great, but it's there. If I had thought about it more, I might have like scooted this over and put it up here. That would probably been a better move, but I didn't try and think about it until now. Okay, so it's there. 1 point. Colorful, yes, 1 point. Let's see, how'd I do? So I got 2 points off. Okay, so 24 out of 26. So I still got an A. That's good. Or at least I think I'm getting an A. Miss Gru is going to decide on this side. But it did help me to make some corrections, right? I had to add in my slopes. I had to add in what slope is. You could write rate of change. You could write rise over run, right? We know it for a lot of different things. Once you are done, turn in the basket so you don't lose it over the weekend to make sure you get your grade. Because this is a test score, right? So make sure you're doing your very, very best and then turn it in when you're done. If you've got questions, check in with the sub.